This is the bird of paradise. It's a replica of the plant. The top of the stem looks like a bird. It's very colorful indeed, and that's where the seed hangs. When you open up the product, please be careful. It is tied at the bottom. You want to take everything out nice and neatly. Let me show you what it looks up nice and close. Like any plant out there, it takes a little time to grow, and it's going to take a little time to assemble. They give you some instructions and the leaves and so forth. So let's open this up and get it started. Do your best to follow the instructions and put the leaves in order. We're given 4 number A's. You can take the tabs off and the rubber band and place them on. Each leaf is going to come with a number. Please remove it entirely from the plastic tape and everything. And then what you're going to do is take each of the leaves. You're going to find a spot in the stem. You're going to place the leaf from the inner side, slide it all the way down and lock it in. And eventually you can take the leaf and you can start to bend it to the shape you want and have it stick out. This is the bird of paradise first coming out before the flowers. It's covering in the corner, taking care of what's in the background, my drain pipes. A beautiful spot for it. If you have a spot to put these in the foyer, in the hallway, on a porch, in the front of the house, anywhere imaginable. Real or fake, you'll decide if this is right for you. So I hope you enjoy your product of the bird in paradise compared to it. Enjoy your product. As you can see, everything's nicely laid out. It looks a lot better than before. So now we're going to go put this out in a decorative corner.